Hey everyone, if you're shopping for a new charger in 2026, you've probably seen some wild claims about something called Hypercharge Pro, or maybe Quick Charge Pro. It's all over the internet with flashy ads promising to override your phone's limits with nanotech or even AI-powered battery fixes. Let me be clear, that's just not how phone chargers work. Chargers can't hack your phone's software or force it to charge faster than what your device is built to handle. Ads using weird science buzzwords, or even Newton's law of gravity to explain faster charging? That's pure nonsense. I checked out some expert reviews, like from Linus Tech Tips, and the verdict is simple. These are just basic, generic chargers in a shiny box. The claims about charging from 0 to full in 11 minutes? Not happening. Most of these units are standard 18 to 65 watt chargers, no faster than the regular brands you already know. Sometimes, they're even slower. And here's where it gets sketchy. Users on Trustpilot have reported these chargers get dangerously hot, spark when you plug them in, or break within days. Some people even got hit with surprise monthly charges instead of a one-time payment, and the checkout process tries to sneak in extra chargers without you noticing. So, if you want a real fast charger, skip the hype. Go with brands like Anker, Belkin, or Baseus. They offer top-rated GaN chargers that are safe and deliver real speed, no gimmicks. Or stick with chargers from your device's manufacturer, Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, you name it. They're designed to handle your phone's battery safely and efficiently. Don't get fooled by impossible promises. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Shop smart and keep your tech and yourself